Today we're going to draw a very simple water drop from above. Let's start with a dark circle. Then we extend it for the drop shadow. When painting in the brighter colors, imagine the moon phases. The water drop's front is actually darker and the back is fairly bright. Now use a very faint tool or paint and create this light reflection inside the drop shadow. At the front you can add a narrow bright line along the border. Smudge and blur these colors together to establish nice even gradients. The border of the drop shadow can also get blurred a bit. Add some sharp highlights right at the front. The number and shapes of the highlights is up to you. And as the last little touch, create a glowing effect around the brightest parts of this drawing. That's it. As I said, it's very simple. If you want to learn more about water drops and how to draw them in many other ways, check out my full-length tutorial, which is far more detailed. Alright, thank you a lot for watching and have fun drawing.